Hello guys, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this presentation, we will see the code conversion, particularly binary to gray code and gray code to binary code. We can convert any number of bit code into binary to gray or gray to binary. For the sake of simplicity, we are going to consider here a 4-bit code. But before starting, you should be very careful that on what basis gray code and binary codes are calculated. So there is an XOR logic which is very important in this case. Here is A XOR with B and the output Y will be stated here. So there will be combination of 2 bits A and B. So there are 4 combinations and accordingly the output is shown here. So you can define XOR operation as if either of the bit is present, then only the output is present. If both the number bits are same, then output is 0. So let us start with the binary to gray code conversion. So here are 4-bit binary code, that is B3, B2, B1, B0, which is converted into 4-bit gray code G3, G2, G1 and Z0. So the first bit while converting binary to gray, which is taken as it is. So G3 bit will be same as that of B3. So I will write G3 as B3. To get G2, I need an XOR operation between B2 and B3. So XOR operation between B3 and B2 will give me the bit G2. The similar operation will be performed for the XOR operation between B2 and B1, and what are the output, that is nothing but your bit G1, and at last B1 XOR with B0 will give you G0. So let us try to solve a small example based on this. So for example, I am going to consider a 1101, this as a binary code. Okay, so I will write down this B3, B2, B1 and B0, and to get the respective gray code, I will write down first bit as it is, that is nothing but 1. Second bit is the XOR operation between these two. So there will be 1 XOR with 1, both the inputs are same, so output will be 0. Then 1 XOR with 0, output will be 1. 0 XOR with 1, output will be 1. This is going to be the gray code and this is your binary code. So let us try to convert gray code into binary. So what is the operation? Again same XOR logic will be implemented. Now we do have available with 4-bit gray code, that is nothing but G3, G2, G1, G0, and as we have converted the same bit we have taken while converting from binary to gray, G3 is same as that of B3, so here B3 will be again same as that of G3. But to get B2 bit, whatever bit you have obtained B3, you have to take that bit, XOR it with G2, and whatever answer you will get, that will be B2. After getting B2 bit, you have to take B2, XOR it with G1 and you will get B1. B1 XOR with G0, you will get the final bit B0. So you should be very careful while converting gray to binary, because either of the bit is missing or you may mistaken the bit B3 or B2, the rest of the code following B2, that is B1, B0 will be wrong. So be careful while solving gray to binary code. So let us take once again the example. So here I will take the same example of gray code, that is 1011. So I have a gray code 1011, which is, I will write it as gray code, and I wish to convert this gray code into binary. So what I will do, I will simply write down first bit as it is, that is 1, and I will XOR this 1 with this 0. So 1 XOR with 0, the answer is 1. Again 1 XOR with this 1, I will get answer as 0, because both the bits are same, 1 1, and this 0 XOR with 1, I will get 1. So this is my binary code. This is nothing but same binary code I have used earlier. So this is all about binary to gray and gray to binary code conversion. And let me clear you one thing also. We have used here 4-bit binary code or 4-bit gray code. You can convert any number of binary code into gray and any number of gray code into binary following the same procedure. Thank you.